Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to block someone on Gmail from sending you emails. So let's say someone is harassing you or you simply don't want to be bothered with someone and you want to block them from sending you any emails. How can you do it? It's really simple. Let me show you. First, open your Gmail app. Here, tap on any of the emails that person sent. Let's tap this one and then you will notice three dots beside the forward button. Tap on that and here many options will appear. And at the very last, the two notable options are block, set user and report spam. Simply click on block user and they will be blocked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.